So with 230 horsepower in this airplane, it will take off at a decent amount of distance on the runway, and you can also land very short. So all you need less than 1,000 feet of runway to go in and out of any place with this airplane. Speaking of well put together, let's get in the interior. You've got your baggage compartment there, and you've got a big door. This is a big, look how wide this door is to get in and out. And it's big because that way you can get into the back seat and also up front. And guys, when I say this thing was restored, I mean, look at the quality of this interior space. Just beautiful. And then you look at the panel also, brought up to speed. This is what it means to keep an airplane intact. You see how neat this airplane is. In terms of range, another modification that was done to this plane are the fuel tanks. So this airplane has extended fuel tanks, and you can put up to 90 gallons of fuel in the tanks and go further. So you can go 600, 700, even more miles. About 6 hours worth of flying in this bird. Now, depending on how much your bladder can take, you can really go far distance. But let's talk price, guys. If you're looking at one of these, as I said, one thing I love about the Cessna brand is that they tend to hold their value. And that's partly because of demand. So the 172 will hold its value, the 182 as well, and even the 180.